So what's up? What's up? What's up? So now I'll tell you what is up. Today we're going to be eating octopus leg today. So this came up because my son wanted to try it, and we already tried it one time, you know, but this time I was going to fry it. But Miss Lexi wants to try it first. She's going to try it both ways, fried and not fried. So she's going to go ahead and try her first piece. Come on over. We're going to cut this up. Hello. That's it. Alright. I'm going to cut you a piece.
Can I have soy sauce?
Yeah, did it come with some? So there you go.
We have our own.
And so while she's doing that, I already got all the fried stuff ready, which we're just going to put salt on it, pepper on it, Cajun seasoning, and of course the flour to make it crispy. The oil is already heating up. So once she gets that on, we'll be getting that on. With the soy sauce. Drum roll.
That's not a drum roll.
Nice and pretty. She ate it all. How is it?
Good. Really killer.
You still eating it. She said it. Nah, yeah, real chew it.
But it's too chewy.
How can you tell if old octopus or new octopus? So here we go. So now we're just going to just put some, rinse it out. And we're going to put it in here. So I'm going to take it and then just put our little seasonings on it. Oil. Drizzle it. Drizzle that oil on there. And put some salt on both sides. Pepper. None of that. Cajun seasoning. Put it on both sides. That's it. Now we're going to put it in the flour.
I want to do that. Yeah. It's like basically, what you call it, cooking the chicken. You sure you want this fat on it?
Just get it all.
You never want the fat. That's the most disgusting part of it.
Get it all good. Yeah. Pack it.
Pack it.
Pack it in between all there. Yeah, all in there. Them sections. Alright, so then we're going to get ready to put it on the grease. No, it's vegetable. Yeah, vegetable. Alright, so I'm going to take this and see the grease should be hot. It is! It's ready. There we go. And this is okay. Good. And I don't know how long it is. It's been here for, so we're just going to let it get crispy. And while we do that, we can clean up our mess.
Now do that behind me, please.
No, don't put that back on.
It's popping.
It's popping. Hold on.
You have to put it back on.
No, because that's just new. What happened?
You have to get on fire.
It's popping.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
That has grease on it.
What do you think it's going to taste like?
Probably fried chicken.
Like fried chicken.
But probably like that frog leg that you cook.
I think it's going to taste like fried octopus. Alright, so, what do you think? That looks like that?
Looks like that? How quick though?
I mean, so there we go. Oh, put it on there. Let that dry up. Turn this off. Take it off.
Cut the oil off.
Cut the oil.
And get
Alright, so
if you're
that's
a kid
it.
watching this, use an adult safety.
Yeah, so just give it here. Give me that. Now we're gonna cut this. Cut this.
Clip the chicken.
I don't want no big piece. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Alright. Let's go, Lexi.
What piece are you getting?
This real small. So still a little bit high.
I'm gonna wait. That's hot.
Alright, so we're gonna wait for a second. I think I'm gonna throw some more salt on mine. Peace. I think so. No, I'm making these are for later.
Okay.
Alright, so just try it on. Smell it.
It smells like chicken. No, it actually
smells like chicken.
It smells like chicken and Christian's room.
You see how the inside of that looks? Alright.
Can I get the knife?
What you doing?
Because I want a smaller piece.
No, let me cut. You ain't have it. Oh, you like to put the whole piece in your mouth. Oh, wait, then I need to put, if you don't put the whole piece, I don't know. Hold up. I'm going to get a smaller piece. All right, here we go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It went down anyway. I wasn't. I mean, it tastes so bad after you get to stop thinking about the thought of what it is. I'm gonna take another piece. Not bad. Put some salt on it. You still chew and swallow it. Ooh, you ate it. All right. What we did, and that was that. Put some salt on it.
What's the tentacles?
It's all the same. It's just hard.
Yummy.
Alright, I can eat octopus. Fried octopus. Too easy to make. Salt, pepper, Cajun pepper, some flour, and some oil. That's all you need. So that was how you cook and eat fried octopus. Till the next time.